That boy who used to spend days in the garage with only his imagination and a couple hand tools has gotten lost in the grind of the real world. I think it's time we find him. Worm food, bug bait, whatever you want to call it, it's bad. And worse, it's split in the back as well, held together by glue and clamps. But you know me, I love it. You can't buy that patina. It's like the wrinkles on my face. Every line, every crease tells a story. I've been saving this piece for a while. Don't laugh. I know I should have burnt it, but I think this is a project that we use it on. It's rustic. It's colonial inspired decor. It's farmhouse country. So pine is a perfect choice. And wormholes or bug bites, they only enhance it. Or so I hope. Here we are back at the bench. I already cut the stock down to size. Nothing too exciting. The usual sawdust and splinters. Would you look at the curve on that board? I don't think we have to worry. We'll keep that bow to the back. And again, it's supposed to be old, so it's only natural that wood would twist and turn. Shouldn't be an issue, I hope. I traced a pattern to the back of the board. This is just a series of curves, honestly based around a skippy lid I had, so that they are all similar and hopefully easily sanded. I only make a half pattern, this way I can trace it, then flip it over and trace the other side, ensuring that, in theory, both sides are the same. Then it's only an issue of me cutting them out, which, well, that's another story all on its own. Done with the back, I move to the front. The skippy lid comes out again, and this time I want a concave out of it. A dip. I just center it and trace, then sit back and move the lid up a little more and retrace it. I am definitely a field builder, inspired by what I see, and I like this better. Oh, and somewhere here we want to drill a hole. Somewhere. I don't know exactly where yet. But first, let me slide this out of the way and grab the squirrel saw, small shop woodworking at its best. At the squirrel saw, I settle into the curves, cutting in, staying close to the lines, but not too close. I think we'll use the bench sander here to creep up on the lines and hopefully eliminate a lot of our hand sanding. You don't need a scroll saw. It's a perfect woodworking with hands, tools type project. A cheap miter box, back saw, and a coping saw. Well, or fret saw might be the new terminology. I spent summers with these. Had to learn patience as my mom wouldn't buy replacement blades at the rate I was breaking them. Still working on the patience part though, and well, no blade in the saw either. Then we hit up the wen, not just for sanding, but shaping this time. Hitting those curves, trying to smooth them out, and get some semblance of a mirror image from side to side. It won't be perfect, and it shouldn't be. It's rustic woodworking, and we are mimicking old colonial decor here, not modern mass produced. Back at the bench, I'm doing a little filing and hand sanding, smoothing and trying to shape the wood a little better. My scroll saw skills may have improved on making heart cutouts over the last couple weeks, but they leave a lot to be desired with this pattern. Next, we really only have the sides to do. Oh, and the bottom. Don't let me forget the bottom. The sides are going to be tapered. I haven't decided on straight lines or curve. No, they're going to be straight lines. Another curve would be too much. I'm going to go down from 11 inches to 10, and Speed Square says 18 degrees. I'm going to go hit it with the miter saw and be right back. Yeah, I like that. That's looking good. And now that hole, where do I want it to go? I won't be hanging it, but a couple centuries ago they were hung. Plus I have an idea of what we can do with it. It's just, do I center it all the way around or no? I like it a little higher up here. We'll punch that in. So I'm hitting up the dry fit, and yeah, Houston, we have a problem. The right side is rocking and not in a good way. And when we look, it's bowed badly. I'm just mad I didn't catch it at the beginning. It's the back piece, so I could have recut it. The wormhole one, no way. I love that board, but this one, and the angry face comes out. I'm going to hope that we can draw it in with clamps and it will hold with glue. I really don't want to use a screw on the back end. Well, screw it all up. Glue up goes pretty quick here though. Glue, slide it around a little, and shoot 3 finished nails in on each side. I'm not being precise, this is intentional. If I was going modern or for perfection, sure, I would space them all equally, but it's supposed to look a little rustic. I clamped to one side that made the mad face come out, and I'm hoping it holds. I might need to drive a screw in, but that defeats the whole purpose of being rustic, so fingers crossed here. You forgot to remind me about the bottom. It's all good. I'll tack it on right now. But while I'm doing that, do me a huge favor. Hit those like and subscribe buttons. They make all the difference in the world of YouTube. I hit it with my usual golden oak stain. I love this color on pine. It gives it that aged look in an instant. I'll hit it again with some poly and we'll see how she looks. And here it is, a Colonial inspired candle box. Farmhouse country charm. Simple, rustic, and full of flaws. It's not perfect, but neither am I. This old piece of wood, bug-bitten bowed, is full of stories. Set it on the hearth next to the fireplace. Add a little twine through the hole, a tag with your favorite quote, a plaid ribbon. If you enjoyed watching this one come together, do me a favor, hit the like button and maybe subscribe if you haven't already. We've got a good one coming Sunday, something a little different. And as always, thanks for spending a little time in the shop with me. Until the next one.